Most people are still using ChatGPT like a search box. Type a question, get an answer, and do the real work yourself. But work mode changes that. You can give ChatGPT a business outcome, your files, and clear boundaries. And it can plan the job, use tools, create the deliverable, test it, and hand you something you can actually use. Let me prove it in 5 minutes. Think of regular chat as a brilliant advisor. Work mode is closer to a digital operator. It can work inside a hosted workspace, inspect uploaded files, create and edit artifacts, run checks, and use approved tools or connected sources. For complex jobs, eligible accounts can also ask it to delegate independent tasks to subagents and combine their findings. You still define the goal, the boundaries, and the final approval. Here is the operating model. You provide the goal, context, constraints, and definition of done. ChatGPT makes a plan, performs the work, verifies the result, and returns the finished files. That last verification step matters. We are not asking AI to merely describe a calculator. We are asking it to build one and test the math. For this demonstration, I will turn my channel logo into a branded automation ROI calculator for small business owners. The tool will show whether an automation is financially worth building. I open ChatGPT, select work mode from the mode selector, choose a suitable intelligence level, attach my logo, and paste one complete instruction. My prompt tells ChatGPT to create a responsive, offline calculator using my navy, cyan, white, and steel gray brand colors. The inputs are weekly manual hours, hourly labor cost, the percentage of work that can be automated, monthly software cost, and one-time implementation cost. The outputs must include monthly hours saved, gross monthly value, first-year net savings, return on investment, and payback period. Now watch the activity. Work mode inspects the attached brand asset, creates the project files, writes the interface and calculator logic, and checks the output. If an action needs permission, I review the request before allowing it. I can also steer the run while it is working if I notice a missing detail or cue a follow-up instruction for the next turn. The finished calculator is not a paragraph pretending to be a product. It is an interactive file I can open in a browser. With the demonstration values, 20 manual hours per week, $35 per hour, 60% automatable, $199 per month in tools, and $1,500 to implement. The tool estimates about 52 hours returned each month, roughly $17,900 in first-year net savings, and a return above 460%. I can change any number, see the result update immediately, print the report, and use the file offline. That is the difference between an AI answer and an AI-produced asset. Work mode is especially powerful for jobs that involve multiple steps: analyzing documents, building spreadsheets, producing reports, researching with sources, modifying code, creating reusable tools, and coordinating independent research. But do not surrender judgment. Review important numbers, inspect files before publishing, protect sensitive data, and keep external actions, such as sending, posting, purchasing, or deleting, behind explicit approval. One more thing: availability, models, intelligence levels, connectors, and usage limits can vary by account and workspace. Work mode and codex share usage, so choose the level of reasoning that fits the job. Use lighter settings for straightforward tasks and stronger reasoning for complex, high-stakes workflows. If this opened your eyes to what ChatGPT can actually build, subscribe to AI and Automation Architect. Comment work below, and I will share more practical workflows you can copy. Stop collecting AI answers. Start building systems that save time, scale content, and automate income.